Hello from Mexico. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So our cars are unfortunately both out of commission. So we are walking down to my mother-in-law's town, my suegra's town, in order to pay the workers who worked on the house last week, and also to go and check out our house so that I can see the progress, because I haven't been able to see it since the last update. So I thought I would take you guys along and show you what we're doing with our Sunday. So if you like what you're watching, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. You got a big stick? Diego always leaves us behind because he says we're too slow. Hey, are you taking a break or what's happening? We're not even close to Grandma's. Let's go, sir. Be careful. Don't fall. Good job. He said, there you go. Brother says we're all slow pokes. Dominic's new thing lately is that he doesn't want to walk. I know you guys have seen the town before, but that tienda's closed. It's closed. My brother's waiting for us because we're too slow. Slow pokes. Sorry we're so slow. What do you got all over your face, sir? Wow. Cheetos. Oh, I see it. So when our cars are out of commission, we just use the public transportation here. There is a thing called a combi, which we can take down to this town, but on Sundays, the combis are really, really full. For example, this morning, we went to get, sorry, it's really windy. For example, this morning we went to the tianguis and we went to just get like fruits, vegetable, our grocery stuff. Oh no. And we all had to stand. My problem is I'm about 5'8", so when I'm on the combi, I have to stand like this, and it is not comfortable. So we just decided that to pay everybody, because it's not that far away, we would just walk. We are gonna go car shopping. Unfortunately, it's my least favorite thing in the world, but we are going to go car shopping probably next weekend, and we'll update you guys when we get everything sorted out. But yeah, that's why we're walking. Ew, but walking's nice anyway, so. Are you going to walk at all, sir?
Mama.
Hi, baby.
Mama.
I am Mama, yes.
What is the Papa?
And that's Papa. And we're walking.
What is it?
We're walking. Well, I mean, everybody's walking but you.
No.
Even Brother's walking. And even Jackson's walking. Oh, there's a car. No, that's a bici, bike. That's a bike. Bye. Buenas tardes. Fidel does the same thing that I do, and he stops and looks at ideas for our house. He's like, oh, I like these ventanas. As you can see, the town is pretty empty on Sundays, and it's because everybody goes to the tianguis, and it's like family day. So everybody's out and they're doing things with their family and they're shopping for the week. So it makes the town kind of look like a ghost town, to be honest. But it's not a ghost town. Not my kid going right to the tienda. Come on. Jackson, no. You have to stay outside. You have to stay outside. Él sabes. No. You dropped your chips. Agua. No, tienen la té. Ah, sí. La té, allá. Peach tea.
Diego.
Oh, thank you. What are you getting? Buenas tardes. Okay. So we were walking around making sure we paid all of our workers, and we got invited to go and have some food at somebody's house in the pueblo. So we're gonna go and do that right now. All right, so we're having pozole, and we also have carnitas. They invited us over to eat, so here's everybody. And let me show you what these lovely ladies have cooking in their kitchen. All right, so they've got arroz or rice. And we've got pozole, salsa. ¿Y lo que es eso? Ah, frijoles charros. Míralo. Mole. Ah, and they have mole. Oh, mole. A ver. Mole y los carnitas. All of it. So that's what we're doing. Oh, and tequila. Let's not forget tequila.
Tequila azul.
Tequila azul. We pick up those cups. Well, entertainment for everyone when I bring these kids. All right, we have paid everyone. So now, let's go. Now we're heading to the house so that we can get you guys a little bit of an update, but it won't be like an official update. Okay guys, so they started putting up the walls on the 15th, and here's the progress so far. It is now the 19th, so about 4 days. So they've done all of this in 4 days while the other guys were finishing putting in the rest of the bases of the walls, but this is cool. I'm so excited about this. So they've done this wall. I'm so proud of my husband. Look at that. You guys, this is gonna go up fast. Oh, try not to cry. And I know you can't hear Fidel because I have the microphone on, so sorry about that. But look at this. Look at these beautiful walls. And the windows. Guys. This is unbelievably awesome. Unbelievably awesome. All right, so we're gonna hang out a little bit here at the house site and clean up some of the garbage. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching our Sunday, how we, what we do when we spend time together as a family. The boys are back over there playing already, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of our Sunday and head home. So we hope everyone has a great day.
Un buen día.
And thank you for watching. As always, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.